All right, please begin.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. Welcome to my action project phase 1 named called my younger sister future. I'm sure that if you have younger sister, you need them to have a good future, and you and me as a leader, we also want our younger sister to have a good future. And that's why I create this project to help my younger sister to have a good future. Okay, and as you see here, I'm now in New Zealand, but back to 2009, I'm just a little girl who had no dream and also didn't know how my future was. And also in my religion, man has more power than woman, and women have to listen to men, and that's why as a woman, as a girl, I was treated to be a good girl and listen to them all the time. That's I noticed that my voice is might not be heard in my family if I'm not go to school, but I'm lucky that I was born in the family which my mom has believed that it can only education can drive a positive change, and because she saw her brother to attend school and they have more opportunity than her, that's why she support me. And why I'm here, because I believe that education drive me to New Zealand. Yes, and as my observation, and according to the Ministry of Education and Sport in Laos, the high rate the high rate of student declining in higher education. If you see as the graph, upper secondary school have more total have more percentage, that if 15% that student decrease in higher education. Oh no, I will be back. And as a Hmong community, we also face among those challenges, especially in the rural area and young Hmong women. And why it's important to address this matter, this challenge? I found this diagram is very useful. If people lack of education, they will lack of opportunity, and also get low income and insufficient living condition. And it's not just like if you lack of education, it's not just impact on only your personal, but also impact on your family, your community, and your society. And what the key finding that I've learned from Laos and New Zealand. From Laos, I interviewed with 3 women, which is they already married at the young age, and I want to know more about the key barriers and opportunity to help them to access education or pursue higher education. And the key finding that I'm found is child marriage and financial barrier, geography, solution, motivation, and family support. And the key finding that I'm learning in New Zealand is colonization influence. Colonization has influenced and Maori people stood in the school, like students they feel like they're not confident because they feel different from the Pagahe, and that makes them lose their confidence. And the second one is education outside the classroom. It's not just in learning inside the classroom, but they also explore and learning from the outside classroom. And the third one is government support, and this is very I felt like very important, because the government in New Zealand their support and participate in the community. And what shaped my understanding from Laos and New Zealand, and lack of access education is not isn't just about resources like opportunity, get low income or insufficient need, but also like tied to cultural expectation and early marriage. And the third one is collaboration between government and local community. But honestly, I would say that this point is quite hard. That it's quite hard for me to apply in my country, and this is my phase one goal and also the objective. To achieve the first one goal, the objective that this project we're gonna do is to engage young women and their community to participate, to identify the key barriers and opportunity to to help them to access to continue their higher education, and also like help us to explore the relevant approaches and reflects on based on local. And this is the method, and my target group is not just a woman, but we also like want to hear more about their more about their parents and also the village authorities and other stakeholders that engage in the project. And the activity, first one is to team building. It's important that you have a team that can support you to plan, and also next is to build rapport with the community to understand what they are really their daily routine, what they want to do or they usually like to do, and this make us to know how to organize the workshop that relevant to them, and to co-design and make sure that participants in this project and gather and share the key findings with the community. And my parents, I really like this graph, this quote, and because education is the passport to the future, for tomorrow belongs to those who prepare for it today. And thank you.
Who is the last person?
Phoebe!
Phoebe so stand out.
Photoshop.